Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Today we will show you a problem with the fuse on Mercedes E320 or E-Class from 2003 all the way until 2009. This one will be the W211 generation. So if your left mirror, guys, doesn't work, okay, this one here, most of the vehicles have a fuse for the mirrors, right? Well, this one, if you're trying to find a fuse for it, you'll actually not be able to, and I'll tell you why. There is a fuse that controls the mirror, but unfortunately there is a module, a computer right here behind the door panel. We have the video how to remove it, that controls all the buttons on that door, all of them, seat, windows, mirrors, and all that stuff. So if none of them works, then it's your fuse. The fuse is bad. But if just the mirrors don't work, it's very likely that it's a fuse or a switch. We have the video how to replace the switch if you need to, but let me show you where the fuse for the left door is, left door controls. You need to pop that thing open, okay, and right here you need to find F033. Okay, so this one is 33 right here, 30 fuse. We're going to pull it out, okay, and check it. That's the fuse for it. It's good. In our case, it's good. So that's the fuse, guys. If that doesn't fix your mirror, you either have a bad switch or a bad mirror or a bad module. But the module, usually when it goes bad, most likely none of those will work as well. And they don't go bad as often, to be honest with you. Mirror switch goes bad more often because sometimes they get wet if you leave the window open or when you detail your car. But that will be for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.